Is the dishwasher making noise, buddy? Wait, come here. Is the dishwasher making noise? So what do you have to do? You should fix it. Okay, let's see. Come on.
Go, Finn.
Come on, let me see. Let me see. Is it squeaky? Let's see. What are you gonna do? Let's see. Oh, I think you fixed it. You fixed it, buddy. Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Okay, do twist your screwdriver a little bit. Do a couple twists. Oh, good. I don't hear any. Oh, you need the hammer. You need the hammer. Come on, buddy. You need to get the hammer. Come on. Let's go. Where's the hammer? The hammer will do it. Whoa. There's your hammer. Come on, bring it. Quick. Mama, quick. Here he comes.
Good job, Finn.
Okay. Yeah, a couple taps. Oh, dear. How are you gonna do it? Let me see. Yep, listen close. Good.
Oh no.
Oh no. What do you see?
It's coming.
It's coming? Oh, good. Perfect. You got it.
Yay.
Oh, yay! Buddy, good job.
Thank you. Good job.
Oh, it's another one little thing. Whoa.
You
One little
okay?
tap. One little tap.
Did you hurt your foot?
Good. You did it.
Yay!